Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. This video talks about some of the important tips that you can follow to avoid much hassle in transcribing your interviews. Now, you must have heard about professional transcribers, experts whom you have to pay for transcription. And we know that as a doctoral student, as a PhD student, this might be a difficult task, especially when we don't get sufficient stipend. We are not paid, very sufficiently, and also we don't have any other resources to transcribe our interviews. And suppose if you are asked to transcribe something which is a 2 hour interview, then the whole transcription would will spread across 200 pages or 50 pages, and doing it manually is really difficult task for anyone. And if you have to transcribe like 20 or 30 interviews or more than that, then to definitely it will take a lot of your time, maybe a few months. So to avoid that, we can take help of some softwares, tools, but there is something very interesting, and that too in your own laptop, that you can use it to save your time. So in this video, I'll talk about how to use your window Microsoft Word, so Microsoft Office basically, in your window, that can be used to transcribe your interviews. So how should we start with? So first, I would suggest you to open your Microsoft Office, and of course open Microsoft Word. So here I have already opened a document 2 file, and suppose if you have to transcribe an interview, and that interview is recorded in your cell phone, or you just want to speak something and you have brought your laptop close to the uh, your interview, and you just want to record that thing. So instead of typing manually, what you have to do, you click on the window button in your keyboard. So there is a window button in your keyboard, click on that, followed by click on H key, which is basically horse, H for horse alphabet, H alphabet. So you click on window followed by H. Once you do that, you will see that a diagonal will open, and this diagonal will basically talk about recording the content. And then once you start speaking anything, it will automatically get transcribed on your Word file. Now of course this transcription will not happen in a very effective and like 100% correct, but definitely it will reduce your efforts, reduce your task, you reduce your job to a great extent. And all you will have to do at the end is to just cross verify that the transcript is appropriate, there is no incorrect sentence, or there is no illogical or logical link missing. So you just have to correct that at the end, and it will simply save lot of your time, energy, and of course resources. So let me just try. What I will do, I will click on window button followed by H, and then I'll continue speaking to you, and let's see how window will capture our discussion. So I'm starting. Control followed by H. Hi Word, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Well, in this video, I'm talking about qualitative research, of course, and I'm focusing more on tips for transcription. Now, it's really difficult for us to transcribe a long interview, say an interview that runs for 2 hours. I believe Window can really help us in this whole strategy. And how? Well, Microsoft Word has this feature where it can record whatever that we speaks. And of course, Microsoft Word is really helpful in other things as well. Thank you, Microsoft Word. Well, guys, as you will see, the reason why I stopped speaking anything, because there was a notification that came to me and it says, hang on, we need some moment. So I stopped. Basically, Microsoft Word was recording whatever that I spoke, and it was trying to analyze it. Of course, Microsoft Word, I won't claim that it will effectively translate each and everything very quickly. It will take some time, but definitely it will save lot of your efforts that you would have put in on doing it manually. So let's see how it has recorded. So a hi bird. So instead of saying a hi boy, hi guys, it has recorded hi birds. Fine, we can make changes. Not a problem. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Bill, in this video, I'm talking about qualitative research. Of course, I'm focusing more on tips for transcription, but it's really difficult for us to transcribe the long interview, say an interview that runs for 2 hours. I believe Window can really help us in this whole strategy and how well Microsoft Word has this feature where it can record whatever that speaks. And of course, Microsoft Word is really helpful things as well. So of course, as you will see, not exactly it has been able to capture everything, but definitely a lot of the content that I spoke has been captured. So we can say like around 80 to 85% has been captured. Now let's try. I have recorded something in my cell phone, and that is a recorded note. I'll play that. I'll bring my cell phone close to my laptop, and I'll play it, and I'll see whether it's able to capture something which has been pre-recorded. Because earlier what I did, I spoke and simultaneously window transcribed it. Now I will play something which has been pre-recorded. So I'm going to play it now. Hi, this is Yusuf Hassan and you are watching my channel, Simply Management. Thank you for joining us. Hi. So as you have seen just now, when I played this audio, it was more easier for window to transcribe it, and I felt that except one word, this is which is instead of saying Yusuf Hassan, they have typed and few more errors, but otherwise everything is correct. So it's better to record something with much less noise in the background, and of course make sure that there is no music being played in the background. The voice should be very clear and it should be recorded in silence as much as possible. And once the recording is done, you bring it close to your laptop and then you play it. And of course before that, make sure that you click on window followed by H button. If you do that, it will transcribe it effectively. Talking about softwares and tools, so we have few softwares. If you Google it, you will find a lot of applications that are effective in transcribing. But personally I have been using Otter. So if you have to search this website, you simply have to type OTTER .ai for artificial intelligence, O for orange, T for toy, again T, E for elephant, and R for red. So Otter is really an effective tool, and they have a desktop version as well as a cell phone or mobile version, Android version. And this tool was recommended to me by one of my junior, and since then I have been using it. And recently I came across this Microsoft, the feature of Microsoft Word, and I found it really effective. So I think even you can use it. I hope my video, especially this video, has helped you in learning about transcription and its tips. And if you have any query or if you want to learn anything new, especially related to management and research, you can comment on the comment section, and you can suggest me in the comment section. And also you can write it to me. So instead of calling, I suggest you that you write a mail to me, and my email address is f17 yusufh at the rate iimidr.ac.in.